Hit.
Oh, hit, right around the corner.
Hit.
Hey, I fucking hit my hands in the air, you idiot. I'm coming to the house.
You could tell he's trying to work his way around.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Because that's where I got shot.
Yeah, he's telling you to move over.
Jesus Christ. I meant Jesus! Lord Almighty.
Hit.
You gotta remember, he's working his way around, so every time you move, he's seeing you through a different window.
Yeah, okay, here's the deal. The guy with the helmet that says Echo on it is hit. Who to me? God! What the?
That was a ricochet. Those your own guys.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You ricocheted, you shot me. You're fired. Ow! What? Yeah, you think it's funny, Eric? Who shot me? You. That was you? That was you?
No, they shot him. They hit the
Medic! Medic!
Medic!
That hurts so much. Yeah.
They should have shot him. It hit the pallet. If I'd been standing there a second earlier, would have hit
Is this
me.
on camera?
Yeah.
Damn it! Camera. No, I don't want. You can't medic me in your butt. You can't medic me in here. Medics can't medic outside. Inside. Oh, yeah, thanks. Why did you save me? I didn't ask to be saved.
That bad? Yeah. I'm taking a look inside. Hold on. Referee coming in. Referee.
Medic! Medic!
Medic.
Skinny medic!
Skinny medic.
Are you guys hit?
Medic.
Who's hit? I am. Are you hit? No. No, I'm dead. Whoa, relax. I'm not getting shot again. The next person who shoots me is going to regret it.
Medic.
I was literally just shot like 16 times.
Referee.
Referee. Oh yeah, Eric, I'm sorry. I think I shot you earlier.
Part of the job.
Like I saw you come around a corner and I didn't realize it was you and I squeezed. Medic, 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 medic!
What? You're not throwing people out here.
Medic.
I hate being out here and seeing what's going on because I feel like I know what to do. Like I know how to like help them, but I can't do anything and it's miserable.
I'm a rep. I just see the other line of fire.
You're right outside this window over there.
Just
This is so intense.
Hey, you're hit, right?
Yep.
Eric's like,
Medic.
gag yourself now.
You're behind that brother.
Remember, as soon as you say something.
I'm not walking out, so I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Oh yeah, one-handed? Yeah. You're hardcore. Hardcore. Quick scoping, you got it. This is Call of Duty, what are you doing? Oh, are you kidding me?
Dead man coming out. Dead man coming out. Dead man coming out. Another dead
Join the group.
Another dead man coming out.
Whoa.
I have no functioning mag.
Another dead man coming out. Another dead man.
Hey, you know what you should do?